I'm back for another haul and review with Slashop. You might have seen this other video, insert here, maybe, or just a link, I don't know. I did a review for them before and I got a couch cover, a bed set, and a quilt for my bed. Everything was so great, but I especially love the couch cover because during the colder months, it has been so cozy. I like to come out in the mornings when it's kind of crisp outside and open up a window and get my matcha and sit on the couch with both my cats and cuddle them. But it is starting to get warmer outside, so I needed to change things up a little bit, and Slashop sent me a new couch cover that is more suitable for the warmer months and a few other things, so I'm going to open those up and try them out. Slashop is a pet-friendly home brand. They have fur-free bedding like quilt sets and sheet sets, duvet covers, pillows, mattress protectors, and they use fur-repellent tech, meaning you can remove pet hair with a simple swipe of your hand. Their rugs are spill-proof, very easy to clean, they dry quickly, and they don't slip, which is really important when you have cats who get the zoomies. Are you gonna help? No? I have my helpers here with me today. Okay, let's see what we got first. So sweet. Ooh, that is soft. This is the new couch cover. It's soft, it's lightweight, and if you guys remember, no fur, no mess. So it has some technology on it that makes it easier to clean fur off of the fabric. It doesn't stick to it as easily. Okay, so this is going on the couch. It's like a nice light gray color, which I thought would go well because my couch is already kind of a gray, and so it won't be like too much of a change. Okay, next up we got somebody likes the new couch cover. And I got a nice throw blanket, which is the same fabric as the couch cover, it's just smaller. If you know anything about my cat Tuck, he loves to cuddle, and he loves to cuddle on the couch. And I like to change up the blankets every once in a while, so this will be nice. And this is my pop of color. I'm not doing millennial gray, I promise. So the last thing I got is actually really exciting for me because I haven't had a runner in the hallway for so long because that's just kind of a heavy traffic area, and the cats, if they have hairballs, they tend to do it there. So I just have not wanted to put anything down because I just figured it would be too hard to clean. This is machine washable, so I'm very excited about that. This is like gonna be so easy to clean, and there's no loose threading. It is completely flat, so it gives the impression of a weave, and the back already has grip. This is gonna be the kind of rug that you know is gonna get like a little bit dirty, a little bit messed up. It will handle that perfectly. All right, let's go set things up. Saying goodbye to the old setup. So now we are ready for the cooler months, and it's easy to wipe fur off, but you know, this is not really gonna show fur that well anyway. So pretty. Come on. Time for the rug. Does not move.